Alright folks, here we go. We're going to try to get a fire going with using a horseweed drill, basswood board, and see what we can do. I got a little late start, so it's getting a little dark, so I'm going to start off by going somewhat slow. You got to keep your drill in the board, though, that's one thing for sure. I'm going to start off slow just to warm the board, build a little heat, a little dust pile. And once it gets warm enough, I see a little smoke, then I'll increase my speed. We got our cinder. We're going to let that breathe for a minute. It gets smoldering right good. Let that cinder grow. I got my prepared nest here. I'm going to dump that cinder right in there. Close her up a little bit. Voila! Just like that, fire. Using just a horseweed drill, basswood board, and a bearing block just to brace your board with. And I used a little waste flake from my flint napkin to catch my dust pile and cinder on. And that's how you start a fire, using the primitive method of a hand drill and fireboard. Have a good evening.